Get away. Definition: to go somewhere to have a holiday. Example: the environmentalist decides to get away for the weekend and relax by the beach. Get away with something. Definition: to succeed in avoiding punishment for something. Example: they got away with only a warning instead of a fine. Get back. Definition: to return to a place after you have been somewhere else. Example: the designer said that he would call you when he gets back from his trip. Get behind. Definition: to fail to do as much work. Example: the teacher helped the student who had got behind in math. Get beyond something. Definition: to progress to a better or more developed stage than something. Example: she finally got beyond her fear of speaking in public. Get by. Definition: to be able to live or deal with a situation with difficulty. Example: some people can get by with very little money. Get someone down. Definition: feel unhappy or distressed. Example: the constant rain is really getting me down. Get in. Definition: to arrive at your home or the place where you work. Example: what time did you get in last night? Get into something. Definition: to succeed in being chosen or elected. Example: he got into a good university after years of hard work. Getting on something. Definition: To be involved in or benefit from something when there is an opportunity. Example, let's get in on the fun before it's over. Get into someone. Definition. If you do not know what has got into someone, you do not understand why they are behaving strangely. Example, I don't know what got into him. He's never that angry. Get into something. Definition. To become interested in an activity or subject. Example, the ecologist got me into reading classic novels. Get off. Definition. To leave a place usually in order to start a journey. Example, we need to get off the bus at the next stop. Get off on something. Definition. To become excited by something. Example, some people get off on taking risks. Get off with something. Definition. To avoid punishment for something. Example, he got off with just a warning after speeding. Get on. Definition. To manage or deal with a situation, especially successfully. Example, how are you getting on at your new job? Get on to something. Definition. To start talking about a different subject. Example, I think you are getting on to something important with that idea. Get on with something. To start or continue doing something. Example, after the break, the explorer got on with the meeting. Get out. Definition. To go out the different places, spend time with people and enjoy yourself. Example, let's get out and enjoy the sunshine. Get out of something. Definition. To give up or stop a habit or a regular activity. Example. She always finds a way to get out of trouble. Get over something, someone. Definition. To return to your usual state of health or happiness after having a bad or unusual experience or an illness. Example. It took him months to get over his breakup. Get something over with. Definition. To do or finish an unpleasant but necessary piece of work. Example. Let's get this presentation over with so we can relax. Guess past someone. Definition. To not to be noticed or realized by someone. Example. It took me a while to get past the disappointment of losing the competition. Get round somewhere. Definition. If news or information gets round, a lot of people hear about it. Example. We managed to get round the city easily using the new metro line. Get through. Definition. To succeed in an exam or competition. Example. She worked hard to get through her exam despite feeling stressed. In next tutorial, I will bring you English phrasal verbs with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.